Hello everybody, my name is Abbas Samadi. I am a MultiSteel representative, and this time I'm going to show you how MultiSteel offshore can generate full leg jacket. Firstly, we have to open the software. When we open the software, we have to create a 3D grid. So we have to go to the 3D grid layout or 3D grid menu bar. I will open the 3D grid. When we open the grid layout, in the grid file name, we have to type full leg jacket. When we type the full leg jacket, the rest of the field will be the same: structure name, job number, title, origin in model. We have three parts: view, label, and spacing. In the view, we have a front, right, and elevation that we can define the spacing for the front, right, and also for the elevation. For the front, in the spacing, which is based on the millimeter, I add 1000, and when you hit the right, or you can choose from here, you can define the spacing for the right. So I add 10,000. After that, I'm going to the elevation, which I can define the elevation from the main level of the full leg until to the level of the water and above. So in the spacing, I add the spacing 0 for the elevation 0. After that, I will click to the elevation 0, then I change it to the minus 90. Then I hit the enter. And after that, I define 1000. After that, 30,000 millimeter and 25,000 millimeter, 22,000 millimeter, and when we enter the 22,000 millimeter, we reach to the level of the water. So here I enter spacing 0 from here, and from here I changing to the mean water level. After that, I enter 4000 level, and 1000, and after that 1000 level until the end. Then I click to the OK. MultiSteel generate a 3D grid. You can see like this one. It's a 3D grid in MultiSteel. Now we have to go to the MultiSteel offshore from the menu bar. Then we go to the special grid. We have in three parts: 3 leg, 4 leg, and slice thickness. I click to the 4 leg jacket or 4 leg. Here we have a number of the legs, which is the 4, and here we have a top chord in X direction and top chord in Y direction. Top chord in X direction is 20, and for the Y direction also it's 20, and bottom chord it's 45, and for the Y we can change, it's not applicable, and for the top offset and top offset in X and Y is symmetrical, and the rotation is 0. Then click to the OK. We erase the existing grid, which is this one, and MultiSteel offshore, based on the previous grid, it will generate the full leg jacket grid. Okay, you can see MultiSteel offshore generates a 3D full leg jacket. If you type orbit in the command line, you can see from top chord to the bottom chord, and we have a batter. I hope that you enjoyed from this training. Thank you very much for your attention.